Tonight we're going to be cooking something that's so easy to cook. 2 ingredients, salmon and some sauce on top. We're making spicy orange salmon. All right, let's spray this down. I got the oven set 350 degrees. The salmon's going to go in there for 30 minutes. That's it, no more, no less. And it'll be cooked perfect. Better than most restaurants. Something I hate is going to a restaurant, you order salmon and it's overcooked, it's dry. This is going to be so juicy and flaky. It's incredible how easy it is to cook this salmon. Now, this is what I usually make, is either the spicy orange or the General So sauces from Wegman's. They're Chinese sauces. You can see that they're gluten-free. But I've also had, this is so good, the black pepper sauce, also gluten-free, and that goes good on all goes the same way. You open a bottle of sauce, you spread it on top of the fish, you cook the fish for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then you enjoy it. This one's nice and sweet. The spicy orange is nice and sweet, and the black pepper is savory, but these Wegmans Oriental sauces, you can't go wrong with any of the flavors. Like I said, the General So is a little bit more spicy than this orange sauce here. There's a teriyaki sauce that's gluten-free. There's the regular stir-fry sauce. There is this black pepper sauce. Any of those sauces, just grab a bottle of whatever your favorite sauce is and cook up the salmon, and it'll be so delicious every time. So there, I got the sauce. I put it on the skin side, put the skin side down on my pan, put some more orange sauce on this side of the the salmon, alright, just spread it on. You can add things like, there's times I've added like ginger, fresh ginger to it, or some seasoning, some spicy seasonings, but this is all it is. This is all you need to do. Just put this sauce on top, stick it in the oven, cook it for 30 minutes, and it's done. And we'll have for dinner. So let's go ahead and put this in there and come back in 30 minutes and see, let's see how delicious the salmon's going to be. This is Atlantic salmon, by the way. There you go. Look how nice. I'm going to get this right here. Look at how nice and juicy this is. So this salmon, like I said, was cooked for a half hour. And you see 350 degrees a half hour. You see how nice and juicy and flaky that is? Oh, it comes out perfect every time. Here you go. You guys give it a try and tell me what you think. Yeah, that's good. 2 thumbs up. Oh, don't drop your plates. All right, go enjoy.